See now, car start. Everything is perfect. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. Today I have one Hyundai I10. This car have a problem, car not start. You can see here, when I turn on ignition, everything is there. Immobilizer also good, engine light. And when I start car, see, crank sensor also working, you can see here, but car not start. That's the problem. Today I will show you how you can solve this problem. Okay, I check already fuel pump. See, fuel already came, fuel motor working properly. I check already, and then I check all those fuses which is came in here, front left side. Okay, so one thing, I remove already front filter cover. If your evaporative emission control sensor not working perfectly, your car also not start. Okay, evaporative emission control sensor is here, you can see, this one. Okay. This one you can see, small pipe. So we remove this pipe, because sometimes if this is not working, fuel pressure, air came problem. That's why also car not start. So you can see here, I remove and try. Why I do that? Cause when I test with my diagnosis tool, I got fault in this sensor, evaporative emission purge valve, which I remove pipe. No, that one. So that's why I remove a pipe, cause sometimes air tight. That's why car not start. You can see now car start. See, perfect. So if your car have a same problem, check this purge valve, evaporative emission control. Okay, thank you. You can see here, this one, evaporative emission control purge valve. I already removed this one, and I try to check this purge valve. This is damaged, not working, and that's the problem, car not start. Okay, so if your car have same problem, check this evaporative emission control purge valve. Okay, this is small things, not a big deal. Okay, thank you.